So we're gonna celebrate 100,000 subscribers by going and taking the tap out bus down to the range. I'm gonna crawl up on the roof and shoot a 2-pound jug of tannerite. Watch it go bang.
Holy
That's 3/8 to half-inch thick.
Damn, look at that.
Oh no, man.
We used to put them inside of like washing machines and refrigerators and stuff. I thought we should have blown that old dishwasher up.
No, we still got some more.
Where's that arm at? There it is. I blew the arm off.
We found something that your welds don't hold on to.
Man, it held this pretty good though. That is crazy.
Dude.
Look how far it punched into the ground.
Oh my gosh.